Hello, my name is Ivan Dilber. I am fourth-year plastic surgery resident in Croatia, and I attended FUE and FUT course here in Agra in Saraswat Hospital in the mentorship of Dr. Satya Saraswat. I must say that I'm very much delighted by the course, and this course has given me an opportunity to get a very delicate type of education regarding the hands-on of the FUT technique. The course itself has its vastness that you could easily implement every type of the knowledge in the last 3 months that we were having during the theoretical part, and afterwards in here every single type of the procedure and technique implement on the very patients, which is very unique and very helpful experience for a future plastic surgeon as I will be, or any any type of doctors that is planning himself to put himself or herself in the field of medicine. And by this, my interview here, I would like to thanks very much to the hospital staff, Dr. Saraswat, for sharing their experience. Any type of course will be here. I surely will be attending it.
So you just heard the testimonial or the experiences of Dr. Ivan Gilbert from Croatia, Serbia, about his experiences of FUE and FUT hair transplant training at Saraswat Hospital, Agra. We have been training doctors since 2016 in the field of hair transplant, and we have trained more than 90 doctors till now from various countries and continents. We have our trained doctors practicing successfully in almost all the continents like US, North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, and these doctors, they come to us. We share entire knowledge of our hair transplant with them. We train them specifically in the steps of consultations, hairline marking, local anesthesia, slit making, graft extraction by both FUE and FUT technique, where the scoring incisions for the FUT, how to plan FUT and the scoring incisions, how to harvest the strips, how to close the strip site, and then how to sliver the strip in a microscope, and then from the slivers how to take out or dissect the graft is also taught to them. At the same time, we share complete knowledge with them very openly. We do not keep anything to ourselves, and it's a two-way training where the doctors can ask us anything about hair transplant whenever they come for the training. The training is preceded by a set of lectures which is around 13 to 14 hours in total duration. You can always consult or you can always clear your doubts if you have about any of those lectures. And when you come, we spend some time in showing you the trichoscopy, which is absolutely essential to us in planning our hair transplant. We tell you various parameters or the numbers, or how do we plan out the surgery in an individual case. The trichoscopy is discussed with them in detail, emergencies, how to plan the surgeries, what to tell a patient, how to mark the hairline in a grade 1 or grade 3 or grade 7 patients is also taught to all the trainee doctors. Then step by step, how to prepare a patient before the hair transplant, how to test the sensitivity for local anesthesia or antibiotics is also taught to them. After that, we take you to the OR where you are shown how to do the steps, and then the limited hands-on with a complete supervision of the ABHRS doctors is also done there. Many of the doctors are quite confident in their practice now and practicing. If you are also looking out for such hair transplant training, you can always reach out to us on the numbers here given on the screen, and you can just mention your concerns, your qualifications, your country of residence. Our course coordinators will reach out to you regarding the next available dates and how to enroll for these courses, and they will help you out with the training part also. So if you are looking out to expand your hair transplant practice, if you are already practicing hair transplant and still want to refine it further, or if you are a newcomer who is credentialed to do hair transplant in their own countries or specific areas, then you can reach out to us and we will try to train you in this field of hair transplant, which we are doing since 2016. I am Dr. Satya Saraswat, a gold medalist plastic and cosmetic surgeon and a member of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery and ISHRS, and in this field of hair transplant since 2006. Here you can watch some results of our patients, how we plan out their surgery and what kind of results you can expect in a hair transplant. And on the right hand side video, you can see other doctors who have got trained from our Saraswat Hospital and how they have benefited from us. Thank you very much.